out of place, sorta out of tune, kinda lost in space, racing that moon, climbing the walls of a hurricane. Still overall, I can't complain. All I wanted was one chance to let freedom ring. Said I had to get a permit, bunch of tags and everything. Never made it through the red tape, got this paper hat. Got a job working weekdays, you want fries with that. Got nothing to lose, nothing to gain. It's like a one-way ticket to cruise in the passing lane, and I can't complain. I was talking with my girlfriend, told her I was stressed. Said I'm going off the deep end, she said, God for once, give it a rest. We're all waiting in the dugout, thinking we should pitch. How you gonna throw a shutout if all you do is bitch? Got nothing to lose, nothing to gain. It's like a one-way ticket to cruise in the passing lane, and I can't complain. Got a brand new dance, need one more shot. Just need one last chance, you know I won't get caught. Gonna make my last stand this time, I can't be bought. But then again, on the other hand, how much have you got? I got nothing to lose, nothing to gain. It's like a one-way ticket to cruise in the passing lane, and I can't complain. Out of place, little out of tune, kinda lost in space, racing that moon, climbing the walls of this hurricane. Still overall, I can't complain. Overall, I can't complain. How about you? We can't complain.